What's up guys, JR Raymond back again, coming to you from BowlerX Pro Shop and Training Center here inside Waterford Lanes. Today we got that new Lord field ball, the new Blizzard. It's the Blizzard Meltdown. And we did put the typical 45 by 4.5 by 45 layout on it. Want to see what it does on the typical 42-foot league condition. We're going to take it out here and throw it all over the lane, kind of like we always do. We're going to play a little straighter, we're going to move left, we're going to see what this ball is really capable of. So make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and stay tuned here.
They say bowling is a dying sport.
A dying sport.
I disagree. I disagree.
I disagree.
I disagree.
I disagree.
BowlerX.com for the love of bowling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got Blizzard Meltdown here, 45 by 4.5 by 45. We're gonna stay a little straighter. This thing looks like it's got some major surface on it, so we'll see what this thing does. Ooh, that's a dirty 7-pin. It didn't hook early though. It didn't really look like it hooked early. Now, let's see what we got. Let's see what happens if we go a little left. Let's see how far she will let us go before she stops going through the pin. So we're just gonna go 3 left to start. That's super smooth. I thought that was gonna overreact off the dry. Once it got there, I thought it was gonna jerk off of it, but it didn't. It certainly did not. So let me see. Let's keep going left. Finish the 5-board move, go 2 more. See where we can go until it tries to flat 10 on me. Pretty good shot. See, now that one looked like it tried to pick up and overreact, but it didn't. It got the 9 out. Rolled really good. This one doesn't really match my eye because I put yellow grips in it. I probably shouldn't have put yellow grips in it. I don't like seeing the grips roll. That's all right. It's rolling good. Let's go 5 more left. Now we're standing 30. We're gonna look at like 16, 17. Up and stopped a little bit, but it still knocked all 10 down. That is good news. That's a good sign. I'm not sure how it's going to do further left, but we are certainly going to find out. Let's go 5 more left, start to rotate our hand around it. See what she's got. Oh, that's left. Yeah, that's left, and it just sat there. It didn't drive though. It might force me to throw it to the dry. It's good to really pick up that spot. But it didn't overreact through the middle of the lane, so that's good. Didn't overreact in big 4 or something silly. I'm gonna stay in that same spot, rotate my hand around it again, make sure I get it going to the right. There you go. That was better. I think I left the sticker on this one too. Dang it. And I start hearing it down lane. Let me get that sticker off and then we'll move 5 more left. Yep, sure did. This one's not made in Mexico though. This one's made in Korea. All right, there, no more sticker. All right, now we're going 5 more left. Get it to the right, rotate hand around, watch it drive through the pins. That's picking up really nice. As long as I get it to the dry, that thing's picking up and driving dead through the middle of the deck. So that's a good ball reaction. Up against the ball return we go. That one floated a little too far to the right, a little bit too far down lane. Didn't carry. All right, get in front of the ball return. Let's throw one in front. Let's see what she's got. But it's doing the right thing. It's pretty good. Maybe tumbling a little bit forward too much for me. But otherwise, it's pretty dang good. Yeah, see, that's where it tumbles a little bit forward and didn't quite want to pick up and go. It delayed just a little bit too much. Let's try one more time. One more shot. And then call it a day. Oh, I guess I gotta hit the reset button. So we have a rack to shoot at. Let's try it again. That ought to do it. Ooh. Swisher 7. So it doesn't like going real deep, but it did pretty good through the rest of the lane. All right, there you go. There's that the Blizzard Meltdown by Lordfield, and it actually did a pretty dang good job. I thought it did really well throughout the entire part of the lane until it got too far. Once you got in front of the ball return, it kind of slowed down a little bit too much, created a little bit too much angle, couldn't quite get the corners out. But otherwise, everything up to the ball return, it did really well. Picked up the middle of the lane nice, got going through the pins really nice. The only struggle I saw is when it saw the oil. So when you got it too far into the middle of the lane and saw all that oil in the middle, it didn't quite want to go through the pins. But when it saw the dry, boy, it boomeranged and it went through the pins really nice. So make sure to hit that link in the description so you can order yours today. BowlerX sells the most California bowling products that you'll probably notice anywhere. So make sure to hit that link in the description. Otherwise, come up here. I'll order you one. We'll get you one up here at BowlerX Pro Shop and Training Center. But that's all I got for you. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Take care.